Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Get Your Guide application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is in the right side corner of the screen. Then go to the settings section and click on notifications. Here you can turn on a bunch of notifications about account support, so you are going to get updates about your bookings, account and privacy policies. You can turn on email or app notifications, whether you would like to get the reminders via email or via the app. You can also get reminders to write reviews. You can get recommendations inspired by your saved activities and destinations on your wish list. Then you can also turn on newsletter, special offer and promotional information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.